Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. This is lesson number 9, light, part 3. In the previous two videos we have studied about sources of light, natural source of light, that is sun, and the different human made sources of light like torch, bulb, kerosene lamp, table lamp, etc. we have seen, and we have discussed luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Then we have seen in detail these topics: features of light, then transparent and opaque objects. And through this activity we have listed out transparent and opaque object. These different objects are given here, so we have listed out. Today we will continue this lesson with the topic shadow. What is shadow? Let's see. What happens when light falls on opaque objects? When light falls on opaque objects, it forms a shadow. What happens when you stand out in the sunlight? What happens when you stand in sunlight? We'll get shadow beside us or in front of us, towards our right, sometimes towards our left. So it happens because of the change in time. In the morning we'll get different shadow, in the afternoon we'll get different shadow, and in the evening shadow will be at different side. So here you can see in the picture, you can create shadows using your hands. Make different shapes with your hands and watch the shadows on the wall. So how we are getting these shadows on the wall? Shadow of our hands. When light is falling on our hands, as our hands are opaque objects, okay, when light is falling on it, it is forming shadow on the wall. This is the shadow which we are getting on the wall because we are getting light here. Stand in sun once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening, and observe your shadow. Look at your shadow on the ground each time. So here in these pictures you can see this is the shadow we get in the morning. So actually we get shadow in the opposite direction where we are getting light. So here our body, which is opaque object, getting light from right side, then it's forming shadow towards left. So here in the afternoon, when sun will be overhead, we are getting the shadow in our feet, straight is the feet. Then in the evening, when we are getting shadow at the left side, so we are getting shadow towards right side. So depending on the position of the sun, shadows are of different shapes and sizes. Sometimes they are bigger and sometimes they are smaller. Shadows are the shortest at noon and longer in the morning and evening. Here you can see in the morning and evening shadows are longer, and in the afternoon it is shortest. Shadows always form on the opposite side of the source of light. When we are getting light at the right side, then getting shadow at left. And here when we are getting light at the left side, getting shadow towards right. And here when sun is overhead, getting shadow in opposite direction, directly in the feet. Okay. Here we have completed our lesson. We have studied the terms transparent, opaque, and the shadows. Okay. Now in the quick check, let's see true or false bit. The sun is a natural source of light. Yes, it is true. The bulb is an example of non-luminous source of light. No, it is false, because bulb is luminous object. The objects which emit light, which gives light, they are luminous objects. Window pane is an example of transparent object. Yes, it is right. Through the window we can see the things outside. Shadow is formed when light falls on a transparent object. No, when light falls on opaque object, then we get shadow. So this statement is wrong, it is false. Here we'll sum up the lesson. We need light to see things. The sun is a natural source of light. So in the presence of light only we can see the objects. When light falls on the objects, then it reflects to our eyes. Then only we can see the objects. The sun is a natural source of light. Yes. Bulb, tube light, and street lamps are human-made sources of light. They help us to see at night and in the dark. Light travels always in the straight line. This is the property of light. Light travels in a straight line. Light can travel through transparent objects. Yes, then only we can see through it. Light can travel through transparent objects. When the source of light is blocked by an opaque object, it casts a shadow on the opposite side. Okay, when the source of light is falling on an opaque object, it gives shadow. Here is a word bank, new words and their definitions. What are luminous objects? An object which gives light. Non-luminous, an object which does not give light. Light beam, a ray of light. Transparent, an object which lets the light to pass. Opaque, an object which does not let the light to pass through it. Shadow, the dark image cast on some surface by a person or thing blocking the light. Okay, here is take the correct answer bit. Let's see. Materials through which light can pass are called transparent objects. A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. Dash would be a shady place to stand on a sunny day. The area under a tree. So in a sunny day, which place is shady? So the area under a tree. We get shade here. When the sun is behind you, your shadow is in front of you in opposite direction. Shadows made by the sun are shortest at midday when the sun is directly overhead. Okay. Now here are fill in the blanks. Light helps us to see things. Torch is an example of human-made source of light. Light takes less than 100 millionth of a second to reach your eyes. Yes, in very short time it reaches to our eyes. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Yes, opaque objects. Light cannot pass through it. Depending on the position of the sun and the shadows, depending on the position of the sun, shadows are of different shapes and size. How the shadows are formed in different shapes and size? It depends on the sunlight. Here are match the following. Shadows matches with are shortest at noon. Bulb, human-made source of light. Clear plastic sheet. It is clear plastic sheet is transparent object. Light travels in a straight line. Okay, here we have to draw shadows in different positions. When we are getting sunlight towards our right, we get shadow at the left side. When getting sunlight on the head, so we get our shadow in our feet. And when we are getting sunlight in the left, then we are getting shadow at the right. So this is how we get our shadows. So here we have completed all the exercises, children. Complete your notes, write question answers and words for practice in notebooks and complete your notes. That's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.